I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by placing the blue dart scale on a stable, level surface so readings are accurate. Stability matters more than you think. Next, plug in or insert fresh batteries and power the unit. Watch until the display settles to 0. 0 or the tare icon appears. If your model prompts calibration, use a certified 1 kg weight and follow calibration mode. This aligns internal sensors. Once done, press tare to 0, the platform so future measurements reflect only your package weight. Now you proceed to weighing. First, set the scale to your desired unit, kilograms or pounds, by pressing the unit key. That prevents conversion errors later. Place the package squarely in the center of the platform and step back. Do not touch the item while the numbers flicker and stabilize. If using a box or pallet, press tare with the container on the scale so only contents register. For multiple parcels, repeat and log each weight immediately to prevent mix-ups. To finish, record or print the final weight and clear any tare so the scale returns to 0 for the next measurement. This prevents cumulative errors. If you notice drifting numbers, first recalibrate, then replace batteries and verify the surface is free from vibration or drafts. Environmental factors often cause instability. If errors persist, check the display for error codes, consult the manual for that code, and contact support with your model and serial number so they can guide repairs or parts replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.